Tayo rin po nagwa-water cannon, Mr. Chair.
May I know where did you get that information? Was it in the news?
Mr. Chair, wala po ako sinabing nag-water cannon sa China.
Mr. Mark Lopez, pwede natin i-review yung tape. We are on the record. Kasasabi mo lang yun.
Sinasabi mong water cannon. Sinabi mo nag-water cannon.
Wala ako sinabi na ang Pilipinas na ginater cannon ng isang kalabang state. The South China Sea issue is a complex issue.
What do you mean that sa magpalusot, I warn you, you're under oath.
Ang water cannon
Sagutin mo po, where you refer that water cannon.
water cannon na deployment po kasi is one of the actions taken by a state.
Ang Pilipinas, ibig mo sabihin, mag-water cannon din sa China.
Pwede po.
Sinabi mo nag-water cannon.
Wala ako sinabi na ang Pilipinas na ginater cannon ng isang kalabang state. Ang
Ay,
sinabi ko
sandali po. This will be your last warning. Or else I will cite you in contempt. You're under oath.
Opo.
What do you mean that the Philippines is using water cannon?
Mr. Chair, ang sinabi ko nga po, ang Pilipinas pwede po mag-water cannon.
Ay, sinabi mong mag-water cannon.
Mr. Chair, sige po.
Mr. Chairman, with this, Mr. Chairman.
Mag-apologize po ako. Mali po ako. Sige po, fake news po ako sa South China Sea issue.
Hindi, ganito lang po.
Fake news po ako.
Epekto ng pag-attend ng seminar sa China. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Kain. Thank you for watching.